Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This plate is over 50 years old and holds precious memories of my grandmother. Instead of letting it go to waste, I decided to restore and transform it into a beautiful piece of art. This isn't just a restored plate. It's a way to preserve memories and turn something old into something beautiful. One corner was broken, so I used soft clay to reshape it, carefully molding it to match the original design. Once the clay dried, I sanded it down for a smooth finish and applied a base coat to prepare it for painting. Then came the fun part, painting. I chose vibrant colors to bring it to life, with a pink flower symbolizing love and golden details, adding an elegant touch. To enhance its beauty, I added intricate golden patterns and tiny red beads for a unique artistic finish. And here's the final look. If you enjoyed this transformation, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative projects. See you in the next video.